covered up your bar cart.
Why?
Since I'm not 21, I thought that that would be inappropriate. Ah, you're bringing a snack? Damn, I want a snack.
Oof.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Elizabeth, her sister.
I'm Elizabeth. What is that? Is it the train? Like, what is that?
That's a cop.
No, not the siren. Like
Oh, the train? Yeah.
oh, you meant the train. What's up, you guys? I'm back. Welcome to the first segment of Table Talk with Madeline. I'm joined here with
Elizabeth.
I don't know her. She's my sister, has been for 19 years and a couple months. Almost 19 years and 5 months. What are we gonna do today?
Answer questions.
Wow.
Sister tag.
You don't know what that is?
No.
The first question, what do we have in common?
Glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Tongue tricks.
Mm-hmm. Mom! What's something we have in common? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Me.
Mom.
We both have the same mom and dad.
Bad eyesight.
We already said that. That was number
went over
one.
that.
Thanks, Mom. Okay,
That was fun.
that was a good time. I had a good time with that one. Next question. What was the last text you sent each other?
Oh, miss you.
I said miss you and she said miss you.
We went to a movie and you stayed home.
Ah, yeah. Okay, what's our funniest memory? Like when you tried to jump through the turnstile at Disney World
I
and
tried to run
and you got your legs stuck in it and then you
and then I bruised and cried.
threw a tantrum.
I didn't throw a tantrum, it hurt.
When we were at Disneyland waiting for like that cart thing that takes you to the parking garage, this little girl was like,
All of the funny memories are just bad things that happened to me.
she's like, I don't feel too good. And she threw up and it splashed all over me.
All over my jeans.
all over her jeans. And on Mom. And none on me. It's like the time that Dad stepped in that girl's vomit in Disneyland and it got in his flip-flops. Were you were there when Mom fell down the stairs, weren't you?
In Vegas?
No, at home.
When she broke the mug?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then I was
heard
at the top of the stairs. Were you downstairs?
No, I ran from my room.
She was like, tuck and roll, tuck and roll.
Who's older? Me, obviously.
Obviously, can't you tell? She's 21, I'm 19. What do you like / hate about your sibling?
You're a slob.
Yeah, sometimes I make a mess, okay? You act like you're my mom.
We all need a mom.
I already have one. What's something you like about me?
You funny.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that you think I'm funny. This is my like and dislike. I put it together.
Great.
I like that a lot of times you help me with school.
Mm-hmm.
And then I dislike that point when you're like, I have my own things to do.
You mean when I have my own life?
Describe each other in 3 words. Different.
Unique.
Nice.
Funny. And no Cupid's bow. Rough around the edges.
Well, now I felt like mine were too nice. So I changed my last one. My last one is probably a little bit too small.
Oh.
She's in a booster seat right now.
No, I'm
Stacked her
not.
up on books. And I put a pillow on top so it wasn't
could
smart.
use like a book or 2.
Dude, you already have 6. How many more do you need?
Who takes longer to get ready?
So I take longer for my makeup, but her hair, man.
My morning routine probably has more steps, but it doesn't include makeup most of the time.
Yeah, but like, are you washing your hair? Or have you already washed it the night before and dried it? What's something you're bad at? Oh, something you're bad at is when you get upset, like you need to, like you can't calm down before freaking out.
Make it out.
What?
I'm like a volcano.
So words to describe you? Like a volcano.
That is 3 words.
Okay, what's something I'm bad at?
Driving.
I could say the same about you. Who borrowed mom's car like within the first like 6 hours that she got it and then hit a deer?
That wasn't my fault. What do we fight about the most?
What do we fight about the most?
Melons are annoying.
It's probably when Elizabeth is hangry. She gets really oh, that's something that she's not good at, is controlling herself when she's hungry. I usually say something and then she's all dumpy a bit. And then she like texts my mom.
Yeah,
our mom. Like, Madeline's being a bit. Mom texts me and is like,
don't
stop being. Yeah. What is one thing I can do that you can't?
Heelys.
That is true. I can Heely pretty well. Something that you can do that I can't? Probably, like, math. Play a lot of computer games.
That's not cool.
She's really good at art. She goes to art school. She actually finished art school, but she only has 2 credits left, so technically she's considering herself done. She's a college graduate. Yay! What are some nicknames we have for each other?
Mads pads. Mads. I was gonna say Madeline, but that's your name. Madeline. Oh. Madeline Gina. It's a new one. It's a classic already. Just pads.
No, we don't. That's not one.
You're Jacuzzi Jones.
Aren't you Chiquita Jones?
No, that's mom.
Oh, you're Pequeño.
I'm Pequeño Jones.
A little bit too small. I put a note of it besides probably, you like to go by Beth, Katie.
You too.
Lots of nicknames.
Oh, ooh.
Eebs, Schmeebs, Schmeebit, Yibbit, Eeby, Pequeño, Scooby, Small or Honey.
Let's do the next one. One thing your sibling cannot live without.
Probably my phone.
Yeah, I was gonna say probably you and your phone.
Probably you and Animal Crossing.
Hey, well, that goes with the next question.
What's your favorite game on your phone? Probably
Pocket Camp, Animal Crossing.
Have you downloaded it yet? Sponsor me,
yeah,
Animal Crossing. Oh, I also recently downloaded Tiny Wings again. That's a banger and a half.
Well, let's end on a good one here.
Yeah, come on. What's my shoe size?
7.5, 8?
Yeah. What's yours? Like 10.5, 11?
No.
Like an 8.5, 9?
No.
9.5? 9?
No.
10?
Are you kidding?
Your feet are so big.
No, they're not.
8?
8, 8.5.
Mom, didn't Elizabeth's feet used to be 9s? What'd she say?
Thought so.
Yeah, her feet are a size 9, so she's lying into my face right now.
I'm not. I wear an 8.
But your feet used to be a 9.
Feet shrink.
That's not true.
I had gout.
Okay, sorry, she had gout. Thanks for watching! What should they do?
Like, subscribe, comment, follow her on Instagram.
I'll link all of her things down below.
So
if you want to follow her,
do what you're up to.
but if you really want to,
Do it.
Okay, I'll be back later this week for another video.
See you later.
Bye.